So friends, we ended our previous video at this point. So in this video, we are gonna see how we can download the latest version of Python. So this is the link from which you can download any specific version of Python which have been released so far. So we are obviously going to download the latest version, and don't worry about the link. I will give it's a very simple link. Still, I'll paste it in the description section of the video. So don't worry about that. Let's now see how we can download it from here. So let's click on this link, download. So it navigates to this page. Now here, if you scroll down, here you will see the different versions of the Python interpreter available for download. So my machine is a 64-bit machine, and Windows operating system Windows 10 is installed in my machine, so I will choose this installer. Now if you are not sure which operating system is installed in your machine, so simply press Windows plus R, that is run, and write DXDIAG, press enter. So here you can see a row called operating system, and it's written that Windows 10 home single language 64-bit. So from here you can easily understand which operating system is there in your system. So my machine has Windows 10 64-bit installed in it. So let's close this window. And so as my system has a 64-bit operating system, so I will download this installer. So as soon as you click on this link, the exe will get downloaded in your machine. So let's go to the folder where the exe has been downloaded. You can simply launch the exe by double clicking on this. So you can see install Python 3.9.5 64-bit, install now, and customize installation. These two are the options. I would not recommend customize installations because this pip and Python test suite, td/tk, and ideally all these things you are going to use them in the future. For example, pip, if you want to install different scientific or different other libraries, you will have to run pip install commands. So you have to install all these things. So there is not much to be customized. So keep it as it is. So let's go back to the home screen. So let's check this checkbox as well. Now if we click on install now, your Python exe in this location, see users admin app data local programs Python3. So if you click on install now, it will start initializing. Now I will not install Python in my machine because Python is already installed in my system. Now one thing to note here, friends, it's completely okay to install the Python interpreter separately in this way. But if you are interested in doing machine learning and data science with Python in the long run, I would not recommend you to install Python in this way. Because if you install Python in this way, you have to install the other scientific and numeric libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib. You have to install them separately using the pip install commands, and which often leads to version compatibility issues. So in our next video, I will show you how you can download and install Anaconda, which at the time of installation installs all the necessary scientific and numeric libraries that you will need to perform data science and machine learning activities. So those who are interested in doing machine learning and data science with Python, I would recommend you to skip this step, skip installing Python in this way, and I would recommend you to follow my next video where I have guided you how to install Anaconda Navigator, how to install Anaconda actually. In that video I have also mentioned what are the advantages of installing Anaconda rather than installing Python interpreter separately. So that's it for this video, friends. If you face any installation issue while installing Python interpreter, please let me know that in the comment section, and please stay tuned for my next video. Thanks a lot for watching, and please don't forget to like and share my video so that it reaches a larger audience and they also get benefited from it. Thanks a lot for watching.